Hey guys, this is how to rotate a screen in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your desktop, and after that just simply right click on your desktop and you should be able to see here display settings. So just simply click on display settings, and after that this window will pop up. Just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here display orientation. So just simply click on this. And after that, as you can see, you will have these options over here. You can go for landscape, portrait, and landscape flip. So pretty much it will be depending on you. So as you can see, when you click on a certain one, you should be able to change it. And after that, you should be able to change the orientation. So I'm just going to simply go back to the default one, which is landscape. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.